Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a single-story bungalow residence for sale. It is located in Battersea, Mandeville. It consists of 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. There is 2 living rooms, a dining room, laundry, a garage, 2 verandahs, a kitchen with hardwood cupboards and laminated countertops. It also features an underground water tank, a storeroom, and a gazebo. Access to the property is through a double-swing electronic iron gate. There is also a variety of domestic use fruit trees, such as citrus, soursop, breadfruit, avocado, lychee, and coconut. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 60 million or US $389.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.